a conversation between a Himachali couple, Brij Bihari and Gulabo, and a Kerala couple, Balakrishnan and Kalyani, on their cuisine.
Namaskaram.
Namaste.
Tell about Himachal Pradesh cuisine.
Of course. Gulabo, please explain about our occasional feast.
Dum, a local term for lunch or traditional feast, is prepared in Himachali style.
So, what are the dishes included in it?
The typical menu for Dham would start with rice, moong dal, and a madra of rajma or chole, which is cooked in yogurt, prepared in unique style by adding approximately 20 spices.
Listen, Kalyani, this resembles our Sadhya, right?
Yes, Sadhya is a feast of Kerala origin and of importance to all Malayalis.
Consisting of a variety of traditional vegetarian dishes usually served on a banana leaf in Kerala as lunch.
Is it? What it consists of?
The main dish is plain boiled rice, served along with other dishes collectively called Kootan, which include curries like parippu, sambar, rasam, pulisheri and others like kalan, aviyal, thoran, etc. It ends with traditional dessert called payasam.
It sounds delicious. Gulabo, tell about our Himachali Tukdiya Bhat.
Tukdiya Bhat is the authentic pulav of Himachal Pradesh that Pahadi people cook in their own very style. It is cooked using spices like cinnamon, bay leaf, chili powder, ginger, garlic, cardamom, lentils, potatoes, onions and yogurt.
Okay, have you guys heard about kappa and meen curry?
No, brother.
Cassava or tapioca is referred to as kappa in Malayalam. Kappa is boiled to form a smooth texture and then eaten with meen curry, the spicy red fish curry with tamarind and coconut. Kappa is a staple combination in Kerala cuisine.
Mouth watering. This reminds me of our Pahadi chicken.
What's that?
Pahadi chicken is a lip-smacking dish that is best served with chicken cooked with coriander seeds, cinnamon sticks, cloves, fennel seeds and onions.
You know we have same dish like Pahadi chicken. It's Nadan Koli curry.
What's that?
Nadan kori curry is made with garlic, onion, vinegar, coriander and chilli to ensure spiciness. It is traditionally served on a banana leaf, abiding with the culture of the state. Most chicken lovers already swear by fried chicken.
Wow!
What do the people of Himachal Pradesh have for dessert?
We have meethe chawal.
Meaty chawal is typically served as a dessert. This dessert dish has a perfect blend of sweetened rice, dry fruits, kesar and raisins. Regarded as the traditional sweet dish of Himachal Pradesh, it is prepared for festivals and special occasions.
We have varieties of payasams as dessert.
There are 3 different types of payasams which are usually served at the end of Sadhya. Pal payasam, Adapradaman and Kadala payasam. The payasams are very sweet and milky in texture.
What do people of Kerala have for breakfast?
Puttu served with Kadala curry is one of the most popular breakfast combination from Kerala. What do you have for breakfast?
We will surely try it. Popular breakfast dish of Sirmaur district, Pathandi can rightly be called as Indian pancake.
That sounds delicious.
Kerala cuisine has an abundance of coconut, rice, tapioca and spices like black pepper, cloves, cinnamon and ginger.
Thank you. Same goes for Kalyani and Balakrishnan. From the road vendors to the authentic cafes and restaurants, the Himachali people will pour their heart out in their dishes. So, on your next trip to this beautiful state, do not miss out on some of the mouth-watering dishes that they have to offer you.
Thank you, Gulabo and Brij Bihari.